Hi guys! In today's video I'm showing you how to add voiceover on TikTok. The process is straightforward and effortless. All you have to do is open your TikTok application. After it opens, try to post a new thing on TikTok by tapping on this plus sign, which is on the bottom of your mobile screen. Now you can record a video on TikTok in which you want to add voiceover by swiping it to the right side. And if you have recorded video in your mobile phone, tap on this upload icon, which is on the bottom right, and upload that here. But for me, I will record a video in TikTok and will add voiceover here. So that's why I'm recording the video. Just for showing you I recorded it for 2 seconds. And how can you add voiceover? You have a tap on the tick icon, which is on the bottom right, and take a look on the left side. You can see the option on the third number edit, tap on it. Now here we can edit our video, the background music, and already selected, so I am deleting it. Now after deleting the background, take a look on the bottom of your mobile screen. You can see 3 options: add sound, sound effects, and voiceover. Tap on this option, voiceover, and tap on this option, and record your voice. After recording your voice, tap on this option done, which is on the bottom right, and on the last tap on this option next, which is on the right top, and tap on this option post. Then your video will be posted with your own recorded voice on TikTok. So it was the basic way by which you can add voiceover on TikTok.